So I'm working on the Carrera GT here after putting the fuel tank in, and just running through things to actuate and make sure things actually work. Fuel pump 2, for example. You can hear that. Fuel pump number 1. May not be easy to hear on the video. The exhaust flaps, I don't know if there's enough vacuum left in the system for them to do it again, but I'm going to try to get those on video. That's your fan. Got it. Electric fan 2. Electric fan 2 not working for some reason. Let's see what kind of drive links we have available in the slave computer. Camshaft actuation. I heard it run. It was very quiet. AC fan. Not working for some reason. I might have to go through and check some fuses. Let's see if we have any fault codes after running some of those tests. No. Temperature circuit. Yeah. I actually have a bunch of stuff unplugged. Of course, we're going to have some fault codes. Alright.